going to Lonavala या फिर आप लोनावला से पास कर रहे हो, you have to stop here. बारिश
ऐसा-
थोड़ी तेज हो गई है.
या ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो आपने पहले नहीं खाया है, लेकिन यहाँ आके खाने का मजा कुछ और है। तो मुझे लगता है ढाबा एक्सपीरियंस इज इनकम्प्लीट विदाउट दाल, बटर चिकन एंड तंदूरी चिकन।
और this corn bhaji has seriously something else, dude. You can take the girl out of Bombay, but you cannot take the Bombay out of the girl.
भाई मौसम ऐसा है that you can't just sit at home, right?
Very true.
और जब मुंबई में ऐसा मौसम होता है, so लोनावला is like calling you. So हम निकल पड़े, we are back on the road, off to Lonavala to try some
monsoon must-haves in Lonavala. And right now we are cruising on the Atal Setu, and I think in the next 40 minutes we should be in Lonavala.
and we are being asked to slow down.
Yes.
लोनावला आते ही the first thing you crave is something hot, spicy
And fried,
and fried.
and especially in this weather.
Yes, so what better than bhajia, vada pav.
Or a vada pav, yes.
And here we are. If you are passing through Lonavala, यहाँ नहीं रुके तो मतलब पास करने का कोई पॉइंट
Yes.
नहीं, क्योंकि हम हैं गोल्डन वड़ा पाव पे to eat some amazing golden fried vada in a great pav and golden fried मूंग भजिया.
मूंग भजिया. इस वड़ा पाव में गार्लिक का चटनी, हरी चटनी कुछ नहीं है. This is just got thecha, which is also made without lasan, onion.
So green chili thecha in a vada pav,
Yes.
and I'm not able to pick up the vada without dropping the bhajiyas. 1, 2 and 3. The first thing in my nose and throat and eyes is the thecha.
Which of course, and even the vada pav doesn't have onion.
Yes, the vada.
The vada, not the vada pav, the vada.
So the vada is without onion garlic, the thecha is without onion garlic. So it's a Jain vada
Jain
pav.
vada pav, and it's tasting
Damn good.
hot.
पीछे से बारिश आ रही है
आगे फ्रेश वेज बड़े बन रहे हैं.
और क्या चाहिए? I'm just loving the thecha.
थोड़ा तेजा साइड में मिल सकता है क्या? हमने थोड़ा अलग से थोड़ा ठेचा लिया है. Should we try without anything?
Really?
Oh wow!
Okay, that is for the brave.
Out and out spicy, तीखा, but बहुत फ्लेवर है.
मतलब तड़का है इसमें.
Yes.
And I'm eating this now because my mouth is on fire with the thecha.
तो गोल्डन वड़ा पाव 1958 से है लोनावला में. This is the old highway. So whether you are going to Lonavala या फिर आप लोनावला से पास कर रहे हो, you have to stop here. 1958 means
More than 60 years.
56 years. 56 years.
56?
हाँ.
66 हुआ ना? Okay, my math.
68, 78, 88, 98, 2008, 2018, 66 years, right.
Okay, I have to mention the dhania in this bhajia is a complete game changer. You can even see it here. You bite into this and you are bound to bite into a whole dhania. And that is making it so delicious. So golden vada pav jo hai belongs to the Khandelwals who are from Jaipur. So while they've made the Maharashtrian thecha completely their own and it's bang on, the flavor in the bhajia is very, very Rajasthani, Jaipur, but it's not Maharashtrian.
It's not Maharashtrian, right. तो यहाँ पे कचौरी भी है, obviously because जयपुर. समोसा भी है, जलेबी भी है, ढोकला भी है.
That's reminding me of Jaipur eating. I've become a fan of this bhajia.
Yeah, and
Big time.
these bhajiyas ये ब्यावर में बहुत अच्छे मिलते हैं.
बस अब इसको कहते हैं ओके कैसे खाए
You can take the girl out of Bombay, but you cannot take the Bombay out of the girl.
and once in a while you cannot take the chura out of the vada pav. लोनावला ट्रिप सफल हुई.
अभी तो शुरू हुई है.
So लोनावला टच करते ही बारिश और तेज हो गई.
Yes.
And best time to go to Tiger Point, जहाँ का literally सभी जाते हैं when they come to Lonavala. But I guess it's one of those things जो checklist में होना ही चाहिए.
करना चाहिए. And in this weather, especially, Maharashtra is beautiful. तो हम आ चुके हैं टाइगर पॉइंट पे एंड दिस इज व्हाट वाज अवेलेबल.
And this is more than enough.
कॉर्न भजिया,
Kanda bhajia.
कांदा भजिया एंड पोटैटो भजिया जो हम अभी खाएंगे.
लहसुन चटनी केचप.
यस.
Clearly corn bhajia is something unique that you get only here. मतलब potato khanda तो आपको वैसे भी मिल जाएगा. But coming to Tiger Point and eating corn bhajia is an emotion.
विद अ टाइगर.
With a tiger, yeah. I mean, how often do you get that, right? Tiger at Tiger Point.
There's only one way to describe the food over here. Satisfying. कांदा भजिया का फ्लेवर आपको पता है, आलू भजिया का फ्लेवर आपको पता है. बारिश
ऐसा-
थोड़ी तेज हो गई है.
Yeah. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है जो आपने पहले नहीं खाया है, लेकिन यहाँ आके खाने का मजा कुछ और है. और अब
But-
हमारा गरम खाना भीग रहा है.
हाँ. लेकिन आप जब यहाँ आ रहे हो तो बी केयरफुल बिकॉज द रोड इज ब्लाइंड. आई मीन देयर इज जस्ट नो विजिबिलिटी.
You have to be safe. You have to drive safe, and I think you have to be a little responsible and not do some extra hirogiri
या.
on the edges of the cliffs. Enjoy the weather, but be safe.
ओह वाओ. और दिस कॉर्न भजिया is seriously something else, dude.
It's so crispy, and the corn is so like puffed up when fried. It's awesome.
But favorite still remains आलू भजी.
Ah, nah. Corn bhaji, for sure.
ये आलू भजी को सूरत में आलू पूरी बोलते हैं.
एक चाय हो जाती तो अच्छा था. चलो.
यो चलो अंदर जाकर चाय पीते हैं.
So this is our final meal in Lonavala for this
For
trip.
this trip, yeah.
And it looks massive and it looks
Yes.
delicious. And we're both going to start with this because it's chicken patra
This
lazeez.
is chicken patra lazeez, yeah. Which
With
is
a-
stuffed with chicken pakoda. Oh.
Yes, and some chutney.
Arey, you know
like
what?
that.
Just forget it.
Just look at that. This is the first time I'm trying something like this.
Same here. Boneless chicken, good. Chicken pakoda, good. Chutney,
So this is Tonida Dhaba, which we did not mention.
didn't. Oh yeah.
Tonida Dhaba in Lonavala, but I think not really in Lonavala. It's a little off, right?
We're at Kamshed. This is about 22 kilometers from Lonavala.
So maybe a little detour, but totally worth it. At least going by the first thing that we tasted.
Totally worth it.
Okay, mutton seekh kebab coming up next.
And
This is a highway dhaba, so
why are you eating with a fork?
I'm feeling fancy today.
Oh, nicely cooked mutton. बहुत अच्छे से cook हुआ है.
Very mild.
Yeah, I was just gonna say it's very mild.
A little dry, I think.
But that's because we waited too
That's
much.
true.
no?
That's
Yeah.
true. Actually, we really waited for everything to come at the table so we could start. तो पंजाबी ढाबा in महाराष्ट्र ये एक अलग किस्म का जो है अलग किस्म का जॉनर है बोल सकते हैं
Yes.
क्योंकि पंजाब में जो आपको हाईवे पे ढाबे मिलेंगे अक्सर वो वेजिटेरियन
Vegetarian होते हैं, absolutely.
वहाँ पर शायद आपको अल्कोहल सर्व नहीं की जाएगी
They do, but
may or may not.
yeah.
But the Punjabi dhabas you will find in Maharashtra on the highways will always serve you a spread of veg and non-veg
And
food
non-veg food.
and some delicious alcohol.
Oh, it's with the shell.
It's a
It's
whole
almost like a-
one.
Lobster. ये थोड़ा सा ऐसे पंजाबी स्टाइल का मसाला है. Definitely not Maharashtrian.
It's a delicious
Oh, wow.
prawn. The masala is fab and the prawn itself is so delicious. I love the marinade.
The marinade is actually superb.
It's superb. I think so far जो भी हमने खाया है
बहुत सही है.
एक से बेहतर एक निकला है. So while we were eating the chicken, the prawn, the seek, this dal has been distracting me the whole while.
Clearly, I know
why. You just have to look at this layer of ghee
Ghee.
slash butter slash cream on it. This is the dal makhani and I think it's more of a other way around. It's like makhan with some dal in it. So I'm super distracted by it. So before we go on to the tandoor,
खा ले.
so let's
Yeah,
go for dal.
go. Dal in a Punjabi dhaba. Yum.
Smoky like it should be.
And also consistency to looks nice.
Color, taste, texture.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Right. Color, taste, texture. Superb.
I could honestly just go home with this dal and naan. And I'll be happy for the day.
So by the way, did you know? 38 years ago, this was the first dhaba that opened on the old Bombay-Pune highway.
Ooh.
And then came the others. Okay, now we have to move on to the chicken. Mat, you will not need it.
I really like.
You won't need it, trust
I
me.
like. But I like. One side of it only. And can we pass the kanda?
I want to see abhi kaise khayegi tu.
Aise? So this side has onion and limbu. This side has not. Delicious.
Delicious.
Mm.
Again, perfectly made tandoori chicken.
Not
Nice.
too spicy.
Not too spicy, nice and white from inside. Masala are too good. Dip the tandoori chicken in the
Chutney?
dal.
Really?
Yeah.
This is Mohit's new idea. This is only reminding me of the muhavra घर की मुर्गी. घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. Superb.
Now,
The butter chicken. All-time favorite in any Punjabi dhaba in Maharashtra at least.
yes. And this has got the dressing of cashews. It already looks nice like a Bombay butter chicken. Typical Bombay butter chicken. थोड़ा मसाला है, थोड़ा मीठा है. Chicken को तंदूर किया है अच्छे से.
Gravy has perfect mithas, thickness, consistency, buttery taste. They got it right completely.
They did.
I'm confused कि अब मुझे दोबारा क्या खाना है.
मुझे दाल खाना है. For sure.
Dal is for sure. I think that prawn
Prawn.
definitely deserves a second look.
A second helping. क्या look?
So all in all, we've really eaten great food in Lonavala.
Yes, we have.
Right from morning, from the tidbits, snacks to the whole meals, everything has been amazing.
So ये जो दाल है ना, this has been smoked in the tandoor for like overnight smoke, and इसीलिए उसको ऐसा ये consistency मिलता है, जो गाढ़ा हो जाता है, and of course then इतना cream, butter, घी जो डाला है, थोड़ा और लेते हैं.
Yeah, when there's prawn, mutton, chicken on the table and the man is going for the third helping of the dal, you know how good the dal is.
It's very good.
So मुझे लगता है dhaba experience is incomplete without dal, butter chicken and tandoori chicken. But yeah, we miss one important thing.
What?
Jalebi bhai.
No, we haven't missed it. We were waiting for it.
Decadent looking rabdi and desi ghee jalebis.
मेरे को कुछ बोलना ही नहीं है.
ये जो चेहरे पे खुशी, मुस्कान, समाधान देखने मिल रहा है, इससे समझ जाओ. Oof, this is such a cherry on top for this entire day of shoot.
अगर हमको छोड़ दिया ना यहाँ पे प्राची और मेरे को,
Crunchy jalebis, and what I love is that they're not extremely sweet. They are just right, the sugar syrup.
मलाई.
That, my friends, is a
वापस
chunky.
डाल दे.
No, I'm giving you a fatter piece from here. Chunky piece of malai. आजा यार. No.
Come on.
ये तेरे लिए था.
The whole thing.
अरे यार. ये मैं करती हूँ.
Quickly. Hut. I want more rabdi and more malai. Yeah. On that note, let's rate. Starting with golden vada pav.
9.5 on 10.
हाँ, for me also 9.5. 0.5 काटा है क्योंकि उसमें वो जो मीठी चटनी थी उसने बाद में बताया उसके पास है.
हाँ, पहले बता देता तो.
So for the delay of information, and then we went to Tiger Point and we had the
Corn bhaji 10 on 10. Kanda bhaji 8 on 10. Potato bhaji 7 on 10 क्योंकि मुझे लगा थोड़ा कच्चा था. मुझे लगा.
corn bhaji 7 on 10, kanda bhaji 8 on 10, aloo bhaji even I found it thoda kacha, so again 7 on 10. But it was more the feel of the
Yeah. I
of
mean,
the
going
weather.
there and
Yeah.
eating it in that whole atmosphere, for that 10 on 10.
Tony Dhaba. First of all, full marks for the portions that they serve.
Yes.
So
Massive, shareable,
Yeah.
family-sized portions.
chicken lazeez patrani.
For the idea itself, 10 on 10.
Idea and execution 10 on 10.
Okay. Seekh kebab was 9 on 10. And I'm only taking 1 point away because I thought it was a little dry, but probably agar garam khaya hota, so it would
It
not
would have
have
been
been
better.
dry.
9.5 because I like the bite of the mutton, which I usually like. The prawns,
Oh, the prawns 10 on 10 for the amazing marinade.
10 on 10,
and
for
the
sure.
freshness and size of the prawn.
the tandoori chicken,
Oh, 10 on 10.
10 on 10 for me as well. The butter chicken, I'll go first, 9 on 10 because I just don't enjoy the sweet butter chicken Bombay style anymore. That's it.
So I love the Bombay butter chicken, the meetha wala. So that was a 10 on 10 for me.
And
The dal.
The dal.
We can't rate the dal. It was
Can't rate.
the most outstanding dal makhani that I have tasted in a long
For
time.
sure, in a long time. For sure.
If you have to drive all the way here just for the dal, you should.
You must.
It's gone. It's missing its gaya.
इसको तो-
That says it all.
इसको हम rate नहीं कर सकते.
Ah, full mark.
Full marks.
On that note,
Why don't you end it today?
on that note, like, share, subscribe, and देखते रहिए. और-
Comment.
Sorry. Like, share, subscribe. Please comment. Let us know more places in Lonavala because we can just hop, skip, jump, drive and come here. And I'm sure there's so much more left to explore. So let us know where we should eat again when we come back. And आते रहिए, खाते रहिए, पूछते रहिए.
खाने में क्या है? I am so tempted to.
कंट्रोल मजनू. शॉट्स नहीं मिलेंगे.
This is sports mode.
सेतु दिखाऊंगा कैसे मैं.
Please eat it. ऐसे जेल से छूट के.
अरे we'll call for more ना? We'll call for more.
बोल दीजिए, सभी खाएंगे.